Hello everyone, my name is Gautam and today I am going to discuss with you some important points regarding alternative investments. So let's start alternative investments. Alternative investment is a financial asset that does not fall into one of the conventional investment categories. These categories include stocks, bonds, and cash. Most alternative investments assets are held by institutional investors or accredited high net worth individuals because of their complex nature, lack of regulation, and degree of risk. Many alternative investments have minimum investments and fee structures, like especially when compared to mutual funds and ETFs. These investments also have less opportunity to publish verifiable performance and advertise to potential investors. Although alternative assets may have high initial minimums and upfront investment fees, like transaction costs are typically lower than those of investment assets due to lower turnover. And if we see that most alternative assets are fairly illiquid, especially compared to their conventional counterparts. For example, investors are likely to find it considerably more difficult to sell an 80-year-old bottle of wine compared to 1,000 shares of Apple due to a limited number of buyers. If we see, alternative investments have their own pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. First is counterweight to conventional assets. The second is portfolio diversification. It means you can diversify your portfolio, like through mutual funds, ETFs, and other purchasing assets. Inflation hedge. It protects you from the inflation. Like if the inflation rate is 12%, then it can protect you from the high inflations. High rewards. You can get as much as rewards you want, but there is also some cons, starting from difficult to value. You cannot identify the value easily by judging or forecasting. Illiquid. Illiquid means it cannot easily convertible into cash. Like if you demand for the if you demand for the money and you cannot get it easily. Unregulated. It is irregular in nature and high risk. As I told you before, it includes high risk. That's why it contains high rewards. There are some important terms which you should know before going to the option of alternative investments. The first is hedge fund. These are pooled investments that are formed to invest in a variety of strategies and asset types. Hedge fund managers raise funds and invest with a variety of styles and financial instruments. Some of the more common hedge fund strategies include equity long short, listed assets, arbitrage, and macro trends. Hedge funds differ from private equity and venture capital funds in that they invest in public equities and generally have greater redemption vacancies and liquidity, meaning investor can get their money out more than often. The second is private equity. Private equity is a broad term encompassing the entire investment spectrum of the private capital markets, and different private equity firms specialize in multi investment strategies. Like private equity firms typically raise funds and take capital from both non institutional and investors. The funds will be used to place different promising private companies. Like that capital is returned to investors upon an exit event such as an IPO or acquiring after the firm. The third one is venture capital. The venture capital is a subset of private equity, specializing in the investment in early stage to growth stage companies. Firms will specialize in early stage investing, raising funds from high net worth and institutional capital and deploying them to companies ranking in industry, geography, and funding stages. This capital source is a very important for startups and early stage companies. The fourth one is real assets. Real assets are physical or tangible assets that have intrinsic value, such as real estate, oil, precious metal, commodities, and agriculture, land. Luxury and collectible goods also fall into this category, including wine, art, jewelry, rare coins, and baseball cards. And investors can buy real assets directly or invest with a fund specializing in real estate, like art investment fund, Art West Partners, for instance. The last one you should know, which is very important, which is ETF. An ETF is a investment fund. It denotes exchange traded fund, and it is an investment fund traded on exchanges, much like stocks. An ETF holds assets such as stocks, commodities, or bonds, and generally operates with an arbitrage mechanism designed to keep it trading close to its net asset value. Also, deviations can occasionally occur. So these are the points which you should know. Thank you.